Hi guys, hope you had a really good weekend and obviously the markets have shown its colors as well. So I hope all of you have made a profit. Even in my Telegram group I had mentioned that Bank Nifty can break out, and so it did. But today we are actually going to discuss a few stocks which has the potential to reach 1,000 rupees by the end of this year, and looking at the current scenario of the markets, it's highly probable that that will happen. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the charts. First of all, I would like to discuss as to why I feel that the stocks can reach 1,000 level. As you see guys, Nifty, when I check the hourly time frame in Nifty, alright, you can see that it's quite bullish. It has gone in a 90-degree angle, not 90-degree exactly, 45-degree angle. You can say it's just a way of saying that yeah, it has been really positive. You can see how it has gone, and it can still go. I won't be saying that we can see a downtrend. We will not see a downtrend guys, because the market, whenever it will try to come down in this way, it will try to take a support, it will try to hit all of these supports, and then it will try to bounce up from these levels as well. Okay, so please don't go bearish in this market unless you are doing intraday. Okay, so coming on to the stocks, first of all we have Adani Port. Alright, so previously we have seen that there had been a few downfall in Adani, and it did go down a bit, but it has recovered. And then in these areas you could see a lot of consolidation taking place, and this I would say it's more of like a continuation pattern. Alright, so yeah, you can say that it has consolidated over here. So if the pattern, if I would be drawing a pattern over here, then it would be okay. So this would be a continuation pattern guys. After reaching this point, it has consolidated, you can say, for quite some time, and now it has given a breakout at this level. Alright, so now at this point we need to find out whether it consolidates even further or not, and this would be an important level because previously also it has formed a resistance. I would be showing you right away. But if it breaks right away tomorrow in the morning and there's a gap up, we can see a good amount of momentum. And as far as the market sentiment goes guys, the market are quite positive. Everything looks to be quite positive. Okay, and there's a high chance that it will cross this point. So let me take you back to the previous point where it had taken a resistance. Over here you can see that these are the points where it has formed a really good amount of resistance. So this would be one critical point where it has formed a resistance and a support. You can even call it a demand and supply zone, a proper demand and supply zone. Okay, these 2 points. And then if I go back, and previously it had formed a pennant also. You can call it a bullish pennant, but then there was some negative news, and that's why it had crashed. So you can say that this point has been a really crucial zone in Adani, which is 815 levels. So I would recommend you can go long once it breaks out of this level. Alright, coming on to the banking sector, since Bank Nifty has just given a breakout after a long consolidation, and this is the 5-minute time frame. Even in Bank Nifty you can see that the uptrend has gone up. According to the Elliott wave theory, there has been a formation of the 5 waves. So yeah, according to the Elliott wave theory, you can see that there has been a 5-wave pattern continuation. Now according to the theory, it should consolidate a bit, but I would say that tomorrow I feel that the market will open with a gap up, and after it opens with a gap up, it will just go on for at least 20 to 30 minutes. So I am expecting levels in Bank Nifty I'm using the Fibonacci projection over here, and you can also do it by using these type of tools which is available for free in TradingView. Alright, so I'll be taking it at 40,100 levels, because after reaching to a round figure it always goes up due to the pending momentum which is left. Okay, never you'll find that bank nifty or nifty has stopped at a round figure like 40,000, 39,000. It will go on to a higher levels. For example, when it had gone to 39,000, okay, just after crossing 39,000 you can see that it had gone up even further. So always you'll find these type of patterns in nifty and bank nifty, and you can see that these would be the levels for tomorrow as well, while I'm also discussing the would be the important level for probably this week also, which is 39,819. It can take some amount of consolidation. So coming up with my logic, in ICICI Bank had consolidated at these points, and this had proven to be a very important zone for ICICI to come down. But now, since Bank Nifty is looking really strong, ICICI Bank can also give a breakout at this level. But once it gives a breakout, this is not a breakout, okay guys. Once it gives a breakout like this type, it goes up over here, and then it has to spend some time. Then you can probably take a swing trade, and you can expect a higher levels up to 1,000. I would say that would be a good level for ICICI Bank also. Alright, and now coming on to the third stock, which is Wipro. Wipro has given a breakout already. You can see that there had been a few some amounts of consolidation previously, but now it has given a breakout, and after the breakout, this can also be termed as a double top pattern. Okay, but now it had consolidated, and at this level you can see that it has given a breakout at this point over here, and now it even came down for a retracement. So this would be the best time to buy Wipro, and I think that it can go up further from these levels and reach a round figure, because this is the all-time high in Wipro. And guys, to be honest, why I'm selecting these stocks and not selecting other stocks like Bajaj Finserv or Bajaj Finance, because maybe perhaps those stock would be a bit costly for you, and most probably investing a stock at its all-time high, and that too when it's really costly, it's not advisable. So these are the stocks potentially they can reach to 1,000 level. Again, this is not a call, you should do your own analysis fundamentally before investing into it, but according to me these stocks can reach 1,000 levels. Okay, and tomorrow's bank nifty view I have already mentioned, so I hope you have enjoyed the video. Okay, and I'll meet you next time. Take care, bye.